You are just one loving soul, I swear. What is today, June the 10th, 2013? You are just a loving soul. That's all you is. You is just a loving soul. Yes, you are. I'm gonna bite my toe. Look at this. I've seen cats rub up against you. I ain't never seen them do that before, have you? Can I have my foot back? Can I have my foot back? Huh? Yeah. Yes, I know. I know. Oh, 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 it just feels so good. Oh, oh. Yes. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Ow! You little booger. Rub that belly. You just want me to rub that head. They're all right, honey. You just a lazy thing. Yes, you is. But you are getting lovable. I know it. Okay. Hi, kitty. My goodness, you just chased somebody down to pet them, wouldn't you? You would just chase somebody down to pet them, wouldn't you? Huh? Wouldn't you? Okay, that's enough, kitty. What? 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 Ow! You little booger. All right, kitty cat.